I mean, fact be told, I probably deserve an ass beating. You know what I mean? I probably do. But it's like, just because I deserve an ass beating, you don't have to threaten me with one. You can just do it. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Let's try this for the third time. Welcome to another vlog. I'm here in Brooklyn. Just got some gas. Coming home from work. You know, just another day in the city. A long fucking day at work. I'm over it. And yeah, no, it's all good. We got 21,617 miles, which is lovely. Straight up lovely. Quick little video with very few updates. I'm excited to go to Poconos this weekend with my bros. The bike is running good. All is well. We're chilling. It's a beautiful day. We're having a bit of a weird heat wave here in October, in the fall, which is kind of wicked. Yeah, that's right, children. Hear the bike. Ah, come on. All good. Let's slow down. Why am I in such a speedy, rushy little mood? Who knows? We don't have to do all that. All right. Beautiful Williamsburg Bridge as we pass under it. This place looks like a freaking hotel. Alright. Yeah, we're not gonna do that. Sorry, bud. Super cool. I didn't realize this place is open from the front now. I should get up in there. That's grand, I believe. Oh boy. Let's go this way. Let's explore. I'm gonna miss Triumph Brooklyn if I go past the street. That's a shame. It's alright. None of us wanted to see in Triumph Brooklyn anyway. What's to see there, you know what I mean? Or is there stuff to see? I guess there might be. There might be some stuff to see. There just might be. Awful. I am a terrible, terrible boy. Let's see if my broski is out here. And if he's not, That's what we're doing. That's what we're doing. We're here, there, and everywhere. So, what else can I tell you? That's it. That's it. I think that's pretty much it. I think that was pretty much all the updates. Beautiful structure right here. I'm a big fan of buildings that are modern like this. What's not to love? Right? Let's see. Ooh, Bedford. Oof. Could go down Bedford, take a look at the folks, but not really worth it. Yo, I had a funny situation this morning. I'm walking down the street and this homeless black dude, this like crackhead looking dude, ugh, can't even tell you what he said exactly. He, you know, called me the N-word and all that, but he was like, I'm walking past him, I'm not actually looking at him, and he literally, first he like looks at some chick and like looks at her ass explicitly, like, and then he looks at me and goes, I'm not even looking at him, mind you. He says, the fuck you looking at? Beat your motherfucking ass. Beat your fucking ass right now, motherfucker. Like all that shit. Like, just fucking went on a rant, brother. And I was like, I really wanted to like take a look at him and kind of you know, confront him and whatnot. Oops, sorry. But in the city, it's always better to just like ignore people like that altogether. Like, you literally pretend like they didn't even say anything. You just like look past them. I mean, you gotta make sure they don't like chase you down and hit you on the head or something and stab you, you know. But that guy had bigger problems. Imagine how cranky you are when you're like telling random people that you will beat their fucking ass. Like, literally, like strangers you don't even know. You're like, I'm gonna beat your fucking ass. I mean, fact be told, I probably deserve an ass beating. You know what I mean? I probably do. But it's like, just because I deserve an ass beating, you don't have to threaten me with one. You can just do it. You know what I mean? Impressive. Impressive. It's like, who is a bigger dickbag? Probably me. Oop. You're right, not a good move. Yeah, so, see, I apologized. I scared that man, so that's why he kind of, you know, gave me that look. Also, another comment I got, which is, you know, since we're sharing, some dude told me that I am a criminal piece of shit, and he loves to see people like me die on their motorcycles. So, I mean, that's cool. Can I blame the man? No. I mean, he's partially right. I am a not ideal. This fucking pizza place is pissing me off, bro. Because why can't it be real? Alright, anyway. I'm just a cranky boy or girl. And that's my vlog. And that's what I'm sticking with. Thank you. All right. 21,620 miles. Boop, boop. We're good. We're all right. We're all right.